So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can fix the issue of account not disabling. When you go to disable your account, for example, if I open the Discord, you can find your Discord on any of the device. For example, if I open Discord on my Windows PC now, when I go to settings and try disabling my account, it says you own servers and you won't be able to disable your account until you provide the ownership of your servers to someone else. So to do that, to provide your server ownership to someone else, all you have to do is to just simply hit back and come back to home page. Now here you're gonna see your servers on the left, where all the servers are right there. Here you have to select your server. For example, if I select the server, now here on the top of the list, on the top of the list, you're gonna find the name of the server. When you click there, you have to go to the option of server settings. You're gonna see it's just right there. When you go to the server settings on the left window, you need to scroll down until you find an option of members. It's just right there. When you click there, now you're gonna see all the members that are present on the server. Now to give the ownership to someone else, like this crown shape has been in front of the owner of the server. Currently it's in my profile, in front of my profile. Now to provide ownership to someone else, just simply hit the three buttons on the left right corner of the user. When you click there, you're gonna see transfer ownership button. When you click there, it says will transfer ownership to the person, and this cannot be undone. Once you do that, once you accept that and hit this transfer ownership button, the ownership has been now transferred, and you can easily disable your ID without any issues. So by this method, you can easily fix the issue of ID not disabling on Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.